Hello students. Yesterday I had discussed complex numbers basic formulas. So today we are doing NCERT exercise 4.1. So first question is express each of the complex numbers. First question is express each of the complex numbers given in the exercise 1 to 10 in the form a plus iota b. So first question is 5 iota into minus 3 upon 5 iota. We have to express it in the form a plus iota b. It means iota की कोई power नहीं होनी चाहिए. If there is any power of iota, we have to solve it. Using the formulas, iota square is equal to minus 1. Yesterday we had discussed it, that iota square is equal to minus 1. So using this formula, we will do the following questions. So first question is 5 iota into minus 3 upon 5 iota. Here 5 cancels out with 5. So what is left? Iota into minus 3 iota. So this is equal to minus 3 iota square. And iota square की value यहाँ डालेंगे, it becomes plus 3. That's it. So it can be written as 3 plus 0 iota. So here a is 3 and b is 0. We have expressed this question in the form a plus iota b. Now question number 2. Iota raised to the power 9 plus iota raised to the power 19. So पिछले वीडियो में हमने डिस्कस किया था इफ़ देयर इज़ एनी पावर ऑफ आयोटा, इसको कैसे सॉल्व करना है. इन सारे क्वेश्चंस में हम आयोटा को आयोटा रेज टू दी पावर 4 बनाकर लिखेंगे. आयोटा की पावर 4 क्या लगाएं कि 9 बन जाए, तो हमने 9 को 4 से डिवाइड करना है. सो व्हाट इज़ रिमाइंडर 1 एंड कोशिएंट इज़ 2. सो कोशिएंट को यहाँ लिखना है, जितने रिमाइंडर बचेंगे उतने आयोटा हमने इनटू कर देने हैं. So iota raised to the power 9 is iota 4 square into iota. Similarly 9 iota raised to the power 19. 19 को 4 से divide करेंगे. It is 4 4 is 16 and 3 is remainder. So quotient is 4, that will be written here, and remainder is 3, that will be written here. And we know that iota raised to the power 4 क्या होता है? 1. Yesterday we had discussed in the last video that iota 4 is 1. So 1 square into iota plus 1 raised to the power 4 into. And iota cube को कैसे solve करते हैं? iota cube को लिखते हैं iota square into iota. iota की power हटानी है, cube है उसको कैसे हटाएंगे, उसको लिखेंगे splitting करके iota square into iota. So this becomes 1 into iota plus 1 raised to the power 4 is 1. Iota square is minus 1 into iota. So this becomes iota. इन तीनों को multiply किया, it is minus iota. So answer comes out to be 0. So answer is 0. Now third question is iota raised to the power minus 39. Now power is negative. So whenever the power is negative, first we make it positive. पावर माइनस में है, पॉजिटिव कैसे बनाएंगे, इसका हम रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे. सो इट विल बिकम 1 अपॉन आयोटा रेज टू द पावर 39. सो इन द सेम वे आयोटा रेज टू द पावर 39 को सॉल्व करेंगे. आयोटा रेज टू द पावर 4, 39 को 4 से डिवाइड किया एंड 3 रिमाइंडर बचा. क्वोशिएंट इज 9, 9 विल बी रिटन हियर, रिमाइंडर इज 3, सो इट विल बी आयोटा क्यूब. सो दिस विल बी iota 4 is 1, 1 raised to the power 9 into iota cube को लिखेंगे iota square into iota. So this becomes 1 into minus 1 into iota. तीनों को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, it becomes minus iota. माइनस ऊपर आ जाएगा. तो लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने बताया था if there is iota in the denominator, इसको डिनोमिनेटर से हटाना होता है. कैसे, इसको हम रैशनलाइज कर देंगे इनटू आयोटा अपॉन आयोटा. सो दिस बिकम्स माइनस आयोटा अपॉन आयोटा स्क्वायर. आयोटा स्क्वायर की वैल्यू -1 माइनस माइनस कट, सो आंसर इज आयोटा. I hope these three questions are clear to everyone. So next, fourth question is, now fourth question is, evaluate 3 into 7 plus iota 7 plus iota 7 plus iota 7. Evaluate this. So इसमें क्या है, there is no power of iota. इसमें क्या है, मल्टीप्लाई हो रही है. इसको 3 को इससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देना, आयोटा को इससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देना, सिंपली ब्रैकेट्स ओपन करनी है. सो 3 7s are 21, 3 7s are 21 into iota, 21 iota, 7 into iota, 7 iota, iota into iota, iota square into 7. So this becomes 21 plus 21 iota plus 7 iota. It becomes 28 iota. And what is iota square? That is -1. So this will become -7. So answer will be 21 minus 7, 14 plus 28 iota. So we have expressed it in the form a plus b iota. A is 14 and b is 28. In the same way, question number 5, 1 minus iota minus 1 plus iota 6. Simply open the brackets. It becomes 1 minus iota minus plus minus 6 iota. Iota 6 can be written as 6 iota. 1 plus 1, 2, minus iota minus 6 iota, it is minus 7 iota. Question number 6, 1 upon 5 plus iota 2 upon 5 minus 4 plus iota 5 upon 2. In this question also, open the brackets. 1 upon 5 plus iota 2 upon 5 minus 4 minus iota 5 upon 2. So रियल पार्ट के साथ रियल पार्ट को सॉल्व करना है, इमेजिनरी के साथ इमेजिनरी को. इन द लास्ट वीडियो क्या बताया था, रियल पार्ट क्या होता है जिसमें आयोटा नहीं होता. सो रियल पार्ट इज 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 4. इनको एक साथ सॉल्व करना है. एंड इमेजिनरी पार्ट इज दैट पार्ट दैट इज अटैच टू आयोटा. सो दीज टू आर इमेजिनरी पार्ट्स. इनमें से आयोटा कॉमन लेंगे. सो व्हाट इज रिटर्न इनसाइड, 2 upon 5 minus 5 upon 2. इन दोनों को सॉल्व करेंगे. एलसीएम लिया प्लस आयोटा, here 10 LCM. So this becomes 4 minus 25. So this is minus 19 upon 5 minus 21 upon 10 iota. So this is the answer. Now next question. Question number 7. 1 upon 3 plus iota 7 upon 3 plus 4 plus iota 1 upon 3 minus 4 upon 3 plus iota. So this is the question. So in this question also, simply open the brackets. So this becomes 1 upon 3 plus 7 upon 3 iota plus 4 plus 1 upon 3 iota, माइनस है तो साइन चेंज, प्लस 4 upon 3 माइनस आयोटा. नेक्स्ट रियल पार्ट को रियल पार्ट के साथ ले लेना, इमेजिनरी को इमेजिनरी के साथ. सो रियल पार्ट इज 1 upon 3 प्लस 4 upon 3. जो आयोटा वाले पार्ट्स हैं, आयोटा कॉमन. सो इनसाइड 7 upon 3 प्लस 1 upon 3 minus 1. Now LCM. Here LCM is 3. So it will be 1 plus 12 plus 4 plus iota 3 LCM 7 plus 7 plus 1 minus 3. So this becomes 17 upon 3 plus 8 minus 3 5 upon 3 iota. So this is the answer. This is in the form of a plus b iota. I hope this is clear to all. So moving on to next question, question number 8. So question number 8 is 1 minus iota raised to the power 4. अब पावर 4 की आइडेंटिटी तो हमने नहीं की, सो पावर 4 कैसे खोलते हैं? वी विल राइट इट एज स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर, स्क्वायर ऑफ स्क्वायर, एंड a माइनस b होल स्क्वायर इज a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab. So this becomes 1 square plus iota square minus 2 iota. This is 1, iota square is minus 1 minus 2 iota. This cancel out. This is square of minus 2 iota. Square of minus is plus, 2 का square 4, iota का square iota square. Again iota square, its value is minus 1, so answer is minus 4. So in the form of a plus b iota, it can be written as minus 4 plus 0 iota. So moving on to next question, question number 9. It is 1 upon 3 plus 3 iota whole cube. So इसमें हम whole cube की identity use करेंगे, a plus b whole cube. That is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So using that identity, this becomes 1 upon 3 cube plus 3 iota cube plus 3ab means 3 into 1 upon 3 into 3 iota into 1 upon 3 plus 3 iota. So this becomes 1 upon 27 plus 27 iota cube. 3 से 3 cancel. This is 3 iota into 1 upon 3 plus 3 iota. So this becomes 1 upon 27. Again here it is iota cube. Iota cube कैसे solve करते हैं? Iota square into iota. Bracket open किया, multiply किया, 3 से 3 cancel. So this is iota. 3 iota into 3 iota, this is 9 iota square. So this becomes 1 upon 27 plus 27 into minus 1 into iota plus 9 into minus 1. So this becomes 1 upon 27 minus 27 iota plus iota minus 9. Again real part एक साथ, imaginary part एक साथ. This becomes minus 26 iota. Here LCM. So this becomes 1 minus 343 upon 27 minus 26 iota. So answer is minus 342 upon 27 minus 26 iota. That's it. Now again question number 10 is question number 10 is minus 2 minus 1 upon 3 iota whole cube. So in this question, again we will expand it using cube identity. First we take minus common, it will become plus. Cube of minus is minus, and here we will expand it using cube identity. So this becomes a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So this becomes 8. Iota cube is minus iota, we have discussed it earlier also. Here it is 2 iota, so when we open the bracket, this becomes 4 iota plus 2 upon 3 iota square. So this becomes 8 minus 1 upon 27 iota plus 4 iota minus 2 by 3, as iota square is minus 1. So this becomes 8 minus 2 upon 3. इसको एक साथ लिया रियल पार्ट को, एंड इमेजिनरी पार्ट बीच में प्लस लगाएंगे, माइनस 1 upon 27 iota plus 4 iota. Now LCM 8 3 is 24 minus 2, 22 upon 3 plus 108 minus 1, 107 upon 27 iota. So this becomes minus 22 upon 3 minus 107 upon 27 iota. I hope this is clear to all. So moving on to next question. Question number 11. Find the multiplicative inverse. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following complex numbers. So first part is 4 minus 3 iota. So in the last lecture I had discussed what is the formula of multiplicative inverse. I had told that we can do it by using two methods. First method is just write it as 1 upon z and z का value put करके rationalize कर दो. And second method is inverse का formula होता है conjugate upon square of modulus. So first part 11th question हम इस formula से कर लेते हैं, 12th question इससे कर लेते हैं. So 11th question is 4 minus 3 iota. Z is 4 minus 3 iota. So इसका inverse find करना है. So it can be written as 1 upon z. That means 1 upon 4 minus 3 iota. And we can solve it by rationalizing into 4 plus 3 iota upon 4 plus 3 iota. So this becomes 4 plus 3 iota upon a square minus b square. So this becomes 4 plus 3 iota upon 16 minus 9 iota square. As iota square is minus 1, so this becomes 16 plus 9, 25. In the end, we separate 25 upon both 4 and 3. So this is the answer. This was using first method. Z inverse is equal to 1 upon z. Now next question we will do by this method. Question number 12. Z is equal to root 5 plus 3 iota. In this question also we have to find the multiplicative inverse. So first we write its formula. Multiplicative inverse of z is conjugate upon modulus का square. So conjugate क्या होता है? First we find conjugate. Conjugate क्या होता है? सिर्फ आयोटा की टर्म का साइन चेंज करना है. प्लस है तो माइनस हो जाएगा, माइनस है तो प्लस हो जाएगा. दिस इज कॉल्ड कॉन्जुगेट. एंड व्हाट इज मॉडुलस? मॉडुलस इज फॉर्मूला इज रूट ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. So here a is root 5 and b is 3. When we substitute here, it becomes 5 plus 9, that means root 14. So substituting in the formula, multiplicative inverse is equal to conjugate upon modulus square. So conjugate is root 5 minus 3 iota upon modulus is root 14, its square. So root 14 square is 14. In the end we separate 14 upon both. So this will be the 14. Root 5 upon 14 minus 3 upon 14 iota. I think both methods are clear to everyone. Again, we can find inverse by using two methods. Z inverse is equal to 1 upon z. इसका inverse निकालना है. It can be written as Z inverse is equal to 1 upon z. That means 1 upon 4 minus 3 iota. Because iota को denominator में नहीं छोड़ना, इसको हमें standard form में लाना है. So we will rationalize it. Rationalize कर देंगे तो directly ये answer आ गया. And second method is using the inverse formula. Multiplicative inverse is conjugate upon modulus whole square. For that, first we find the conjugate, and conjugate is simply change the sign of iota. It becomes root 5 minus 3 iota. Then we find modulus, and modulus is formula is under root a square plus b square. A is root 5 and b is 3, not 3 iota, only 3. We don't take iota in b. So it is written here, so it becomes root 14. So z inverse using formula, substituting values, it becomes root 5 upon 14 minus 3 upon 14 iota. So moving on to next question. Question number 11. Question is z is equal to minus iota. We have to find its multiplicative inverse. So if we do it by using second formula, conjugate, it can be written as 0 minus iota. Simply minus iota can be written as 0 minus iota. So its conjugate will be 0 plus iota. Its modulus will be under root 0 square plus, what is b here, minus 1. We have to take the coefficient of iota, that is minus 1. So this becomes root 1, that means 1. So modulus is 1. Formula, multiplicative inverse is equal to conjugate upon modulus whole square. So this becomes 0 plus iota upon 1 square, that means iota upon 1, that means iota. So this is the answer. Now moving on to next question. Question number 14. This question is important also. We have to express it in the form a plus iota b. So question is 3 plus iota root 5 into 3 minus iota root 5 upon root 3 plus root 2 iota minus root 3 minus iota root 2. So we have to evaluate it and express it in the standard form. So कुछ भी नहीं करना है इसमें, हमने सिर्फ ब्रैकेट्स ओपन करनी है. ऊपर ब्रैकेट्स मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं, सो इनको मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. नीचे सब्ट्रैक्ट हो रही है ब्रैकेट्स, को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देना है. ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई कैसे कर सकते हैं? ए यूजिंग आइडेंटिटी ए प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी, which is a square minus b square. So it will be 3 square minus iota root 5 square. And in denominator, we open the brackets. So its sign changes in the second bracket. So this becomes 9 minus its square, iota square, root 5 ka square, it is 5. In denominator, this cancel out. Root 2 iota plus root 2 iota. It becomes 2 root 2. What is root 2 plus root 2? That is 2 root 2 iota. Iota square का value डालेंगे -1. It becomes 9 plus 5 upon 2 root 2 iota. So this is 14 upon 2 root 2 iota. अब ना तो हम रूट को डिनोमिनेटर में छोड़ते हैं, ना ही आयोटा को. सो हमें दोनों को रैशनलाइज कर देना है. Into root 2 iota upon root 2 iota. So this is 7 root 2 iota upon 2 iota square. So this becomes 7 root 2 iota upon -2. माइनस को ऊपर ले आएंगे. So this will be the answer. I hope सबको क्लियर है आज का लेक्चर. So अगर आपको ये लेक्चर सारा क्लियर है, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम करेंगे मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज. For that, kindly subscribe this channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you.